This is a quick look at the Ritter R2061 pocket hole machine. This is a machine we are going to try to keep in stock as new models arrive. This has a simple 120 plug, a simple air connection, and this thing's ready to go. It's got 2 material stops, a foot actuated pedal, and 4 leg levelers on the inside of the frame. Here you can see it's got a router motor on the R2061. It's got the 6-degree low angle cutter, and this will use a 3/8 inch solid carbide router bit and a 9/64 drill for the pilot. Go ahead and show you a sample right now. This machine cycles very quickly and produces a very clean hole. We'd be happy to answer any questions you have. Please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to check current stock and pricing. Thanks for watching.